Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make a combat tool in Roblox Studio. So first we need to import our rig. So you go to Avatar, Rig Builder, and choose a rig type. If you have R6, you'll choose this option right here and press Block Avatar. For R15, you'll choose this one here and press Block Avatar. For my game is a R15, so I'm going to choose an R15 rig. And then you need to get your, tool. So I'm just going to get a sword. I'm gonna get the Roblox classic sword, and then I'm just going to delete all the scripts in it and just keep the handle. So yeah, and then inside I'm just gonna delete these sounds too. And now we just need you need to position your sword into the player's hand. So how you imagine it, you want it to be positioned, you just do that. So you could pause the video here just to position it. But I'm just gonna do a nice and simple one. Just like this. There we go. Alright, so now you want to open your rig up like this, and since my sword is in the right hand, I'm going to just put the handle in the right hand. But if you're using R6, you put the sword in the right arm or left arm, whatever side you're using. And then once it's in there, all you need to do is add a weld concentrate in the right hand or right arm if you're doing R6, and set part 0 to my right hand and part 1 to the handle, and you'll see this if you're using R15. I think in R6 you'll see the green box around the arm and the sword. But once you do that, we can get to start animating. So select your rig, go to Avatar and go to Animation Editor, select the rig, I'll name it Sword Animation, and then I'll put it up a bit. So now you can start animating. I'm gonna make mine nice and simple. I'll just do this a bit. Maybe move the legs. You can pause the video here just to start animating your sword. And I might just do this a bit. That. Maybe move the head a bit up. Maybe move the body facing this way a bit. And then we'll bring the sword up. Just like this. Don't know why it's doing that, but we'll bring the sword up. Move the arm here. So it's positioned, and then on the 4th second, we'll just move it down. I don't know why it's doing that, but I'll just position the arm back. Yeah, so there. Simple sword animation, I guess. So after you've done that, you can set the animation priority to 4, action 4. And once you've done that, you can publish to Roblox. And press save and copy the ID, which is right here. And I'll close this off. Now I can close your animation editor. And now you can insert a tool into starter pack. You can name it sword. And then after that, I'm going to go back into the rig, right hand, and steal the sword and put it into the tool. We don't need this rig anymore. But once you've done that, we're going to create a local script. You can name this the sword, a swing. And you can also start getting your sounds. So I'll name the sword, and we'll just get a few sword hit or sword slash. Okay, whoops, let me just set my okay. That's a nice sword slash one. Then I'll go to sound service, import a sound. Then I'll name this to slash. There we go, and we can do a sword hit. copy that as an ID, insert a sound, name this to hit, and post the ID. There we go. Now we can go into the sword, and now we can reference the tool, or we can name it sword actually. Script.parent, because the script parent is the sword. I'm going to do sword.activated connect a function. So this is when the player clicks while the tool is equipped. So like, first of all, we're going to create a where's my replica? Sorry, here we go. Insert a remote event. I name this to a damage event. And we can insert the animation, an animation into the script. I name this to sword swing. I just realized I didn't get my sound ID. I need to go back and publish it again so I can get the sound ID. I mean animation ID for Roblox animation, and paste it in like this. And then we can get the animation script dot sword swing. And then we can get the player. And we can get the character. Player.character or player.character added. Wait, I'm gonna get the humanoid. Alright, so we've got the sword, scripts parent, and then we got the animation, and then we've got the player. We got the character, is basically avatar. Inside your character you have a humanoid. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna create something called track. Well, a variable called track, and we'll do humanoid load animation, and we'll type in animation. And we can play the track. And then we can also get the sound from the sound service. Game.soundservice.flash, and we can also play the sound. Now if you test this out here, as you can see, we're playing the animation, but I think I kind of messed up the sword a bit, but that's alright for now. I'll fix that at the end. But now we've got the actual slash and the sword working, we can start creating the damage. So we can go to server script service, insert a script, and do name this to damage server. And now we can do game.replicate storage dot damage event dot on server event, connect a function, and set the player parameter. And now we create a variable called hitbox instance.new. This will create a new part, and then we can do hitbox.parent equals to game.workspace, hitbox.size equals to vector3.new. Probably the best hitbox size is 5, 5, and 5. We can do hitbox.anchored equals to true, hitbox.counterlight equals to false. For now, let's set the transparency to 0.5 so we can see. Whoops. 0.5. And I think that should be the settings for the hitbox done. And now we can do game.debris add item, and we can delete the hitbox after 2 seconds. We'll do that. And then we can do a table called hits, or we can do slashes since it's the sword. And then we can do hitbox.touched, connect a function. So the hit parameter, so if hit.parent child humanoid and hit.parent.name is not equal to the player's name, then if not hit.parent child humanoid, actually if not hit.parent.humanoid, sorry, find first child player.name, then if hits slashes I mean, we could do if slashes hit dot parent dot name, then return, and we can go here and we can do slashes hit dot parent dot name equals to true. Whoops, put it there. Name equals to true, and now we can get the sound or hit sound. So game dot sound service dot hit. We can hit sound play hit dot parent, not hitbox play, hit sound play play hitbox dot oh wait, sorry, hit dot parent dot humanoid. We're gonna take damage. I'll do 10 damage. 10. And we can also game dot debris add item hit sound delete after 2 seconds. And there we go. Now when we play, do this. Whoops, I forgot to fire the server here. Game, go back into the sword swing. Local script in our tool, gain storage dot damage event, fire server. And now when we do this, you see our hitbox is there. I just realized we did not set the position for it. We can do hitbox dot position equals to player dot character dot humanoid root part dot c-frame times c-frame dot new 0 0 minus 2. There we go, there's our hitbox. For some reason it is not working, so let me just see why. Oh, hitbox dot c-frame, not position, sorry. There we go, as you can see our hitbox is there. So when we touch it, the hit sound plays and the player takes damage. I completely missed him there. But yeah. I just realized the sound is not playing because we need to clone the sound. Clone. We can clone the hitbox too for other players. And then we do this. I still missed him, but he still takes damage. And the sound plays. So yeah. So that's how you make a combat tool in Roblox Studio. Just to see if there's any errors. You have absolutely no errors. Everything's working for me. I hit the hit sound, everything like that. And the player takes damage too. So yeah, hopefully this helped you your game.